Hello all. In the previous session, we have seen AWT components in Java and how to create a simple AWT Java program using frames. In this session, let us see the graphic class and methods. Today's session, we have seen two classes of graphic class, that is color and font. Color and font will give look and feel for the text. So here in the applet, we can insert some string on the applet so that we can apply the font size, font style and also the color which we want to display on the screen. For this, there is a classes called color class and a font class. Let us see one by one. In color class, any color is represented by three major colors, that is red, green and blue. Combination of these three colors gives one color. All these colors are ranges from 0 to 255. Okay. Then there are three constructors for color class, that are one with three parameters, both are of type integer, and another with three parameters, both are of type float, and one with one parameter of type integer. Here we already said that in color class any color is represented by three colors. So there are only three parameters defined in a constructor, which belongs to red, green and blue, and one parameter means it contains RGB value. Okay, these are the three constructors used in color class. And the methods used in color class or defined in color class is color get color method, which returns the current color we have used, and set color new color means changes the background color, and new color is the object corresponding to the color class. These all are built-in methods. We just have to call that methods in our program. And we can set the background and foreground colors using the following methods: void set background color new color, void set foreground color new color. This color new color corresponding to the constructor color int RGB value, constructor which contains only one parameter. Color new color is the initialization or calling of the constructor which we have already defined. These all are built-in classes and built-in methods and built-in constructors already available in Java. Okay. And you can obtain the current settings for the background and foreground colors by calling get background and get foreground. If you want to set background and foreground color, we use set background and set foreground. If you want to access the current settings for the background and foreground color, we use get background and get foreground using color object name. Okay, if you want to access the methods defined in a class, we use object name dot method name, that is same format is used here. This is all about color class. That is, in color class there are three constructors and color methods in order to get and set color, and in order to set foreground and background color, in order to get current information about the foreground and background color. This all are about color class. Next one is font class. Font class, we already said that if we want to insert some string on our window so that we can apply the font size, font style which we want to display on the screen. So there is a class called a font class, and font class have a constructor which contains 3 parameters, which is of font style, font name, and point style, where font name specify the name of the desired font, that is Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, etc., which we want to display. And the style of the font is given by font style. Font style consists of one or more of these 3 constants, that is font.plain, font.bold, font.italic. Plain, bold, and italic are variables which we have already defined in font class, which can be accessed using corresponding object corresponding to the class font. And the size of this point is specified by point size, that is font Times New Roman, bold 14 means we have set the font style of the corresponding string as Times New Roman, font style as bold, and font size as 14. This is the constructor which we have used in the font class. And the methods available in font class are font get font. Let's obtain information of currently selected font. If we select a string, we can use font get font method in order to display its font and font style and font styles. Then string get name, we have to get the name of the current font. Int get size, get the size of current font. Int get style, get the style of current font. Set font, set the new font. Okay, if you want to set a new font, we can define set font. When we want to get or access information corresponding to the current available fonts, we use get method. If we want to set a new font, we use set method. Is it clear? This is all about font class. That is, font class contains only one constructor which contains 3 parameters: string font name, int font style, int point style. And font class have different methods in order to get the font name, font style, and font size, and set new font. This is all about color class and font class